Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kilenny. Para los que no me conocen, thank you guys for tuning in. If it is your first time, welcome to this channel. Since you made it all the way over here, make sure that you subscribe down below. Don't leave, and you know, I want to hear from you again. I want to see you guys here on my channel. So make sure that you guys subscribe before you guys leave this video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a little something on my face when I'm traveling. I don't really have much time to be glamming up and doing like crazy makeup looks or just like anything like different. Like I don't have the time for that. So I like to do like a little something, cover up the imperfections, do a little glowy something, little lip gloss, the brows, very natural. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I used and how I use it and everything. So if you guys are interested in what is wrong with me today? So if you guys are interested in this video, please just keep on watching. And like I said, don't be a stranger. Follow me on my social media. I'm gonna be having a big giveaway soon. If I'm not having it already, I don't know when I'm uploading this video. But make sure that you guys subscribe and follow. And I will see you guys in like a second, like right now, like now. So I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face con este moisturizer. This is from Laneige, I think you say it. I've been really loving it porque es super hidratante para la cara, and like I have mentioned before, ahorita mi cara está super seca, so this really helps with that moisture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. For primer, I'm gonna be using, you guys have seen this multiple times porque verdad me encanta. It is the No Problem primer, and I'm just gonna put it like a little bit in the beauty blender and just kind of like, and just sparse it around my face. Moving on to the foundation, I am now gonna be using this foundation that is very dearly to my heart. I freaking love it because it is perfectly matched for me. It is this e.l.f. foundation. Actually, I cannot give you like a name for it because I got the pleasure of going to New Orleans with e.l.f. and they gave us the chance of creating like our own foundation, like really mix and match until I got to this foundation, and it even has my name on it. Do you guys see that? Like how cool is that? But anyways, yeah, so I don't have a name, but I do have this foundation that I bought it myself at the store like a year ago, and it's pretty close to my skin tone. So if you guys are looking for one, I'm gonna leave it down below, so just check the one down below because it will not be this one, but it'll be pretty close to my skin tone, if that makes any sense. I swear, this annoying pimple. It's not even a pimple anymore, it's just a dark spot at this point. But I need it gone. Next, what I've been doing lately, I actually saw this trick from Jackie Aina. She does it where she goes and she sets her foundation before she continues with a powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and set mine. I'm using this Pure 4-in-1. It's like a mineral powder. I freaking love it porque también te da coverage at the same time, and I'm all about that coverage. But yeah, this is like literally like the only powder that I love right now. Pure, you did this. I love it. Next, for concealers, I'm gonna go and use, I've been using this for a while. I think you guys have seen it almost in like cada video que yo pongo. Yo siempre uso tu concealer porque de verdad like I really like them, and they're super affordable. They're only $6. They are the ColourPop concealers. I have two. I use the color 30 to kind of like cover up, and then 40 for like more like that highlight or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 30 first, and then I'm gonna put the 40 on top. Okay, now that I've applied both concealers, voy a coger my favorite Hula bronzer from Benefit and just kind of like bronze up my cheeks and my forehead, contour my nose, and yeah, I have hit pan fam. Like, I am so upset, but I love this bronzer. It's like my all-time favorite. Okay, so now that I have, bronzed up and contour or whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a little baking. I'm gonna be using my Patrick Star baking powder. I love this thing, it's like my holy grail. So I usually don't use it a lot, but I'm traveling and it's the only one I brought, so I'm gonna be using it. I only use this baby only for special ocasiones, because Mama don't got that coins to be buying this all the time. So, but I'm traveling and it's the only one I brought. So I'm gonna be using this today. And I'm using the only pretty much brush that I use to apply my and I'm using the only brush pretty much that I use to apply my baking powders. It is the Sigma 3D HD. I freaking love it because, as you guys can see, it's pretty thin, so you can get really, close to the nose and just, it's perfect. I also have a coupon code with Sigma, so if you guys want to save some coins, you guys can use it. I'm going to put it right here on the screen for you guys. But yeah. Okay, now that I'm baking, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna do them off camera just because I don't want this video to be like half an hour long. Trust me, it takes me a while to do my brows. But for my brows, I'm using the Precisely brow pencil from Benefit. It's pretty much the only thing that I use, so yeah. I'll see you guys en un ratico. Okay, you guys, and now I'm back with some brows on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. For blush, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. blush. It's beautiful. It is like a pinky rosy blush. Very, very nice. I love it. And it's super pigmented too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray. I have been loving this setting spray. This is from Jer Cosmetics. I have been using it like the whole trip that I've been here, and I'm really, really, really enjoying it. It is very pretty, it's travel size, and it's really nice. Like, it kept my makeup on. I think I had it like Saturday, like all day. It kept it on the whole day, mi gente, el día entero. So totally, totally loved it. And this is like they have like different scents. This is like the rosy one. I don't know what it's really called, but oh yeah, it's rose. So it smells really, really nice. I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of like a highlight. It's really like subtle, like you're really not trying to glow, but you still want like a little something, something. I actually got this in the mail not so long ago, and I brought it with me on this trip just because I thought it was gonna be perfect, and I actually wore it and I loved it. This is the Sigma Brilliant Shimmer Cream. It's really, really nice. I really, really like it. It's like a peachy with like gold flakes. It's beautiful. Like, do you guys see how cute that is? Like, I woke up like this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I love this mascara. This is my favorite, my all-time favorite. Like, I love it. Like, thank you, Benefit, for coming out with this mascara because it's so bomb and I really, really love it. And you should love it too. Like, yes! No, but seriously, I love this mascara. Sometimes I might lip line my lips, sometimes I might not, but today I feel like I want to, so I'm gonna be using this brown, it's like a brown shade. This is from, where is this from? I don't even know where the hell this is. I think it's like My Looking Glass or something like that it's called. It's like a brown shade. So I'm gonna be using this one to lip line my lips. And then I'm gonna be using this Grande lips lip plumper. I freaking love them because they literally plump your lips. And this one is in the color, I don't know, but it's like a rosy nude color. I love it. And we're done, people. This is pretty much the glam that I go for when I'm traveling, when I don't really want to have like a lot of makeup on, but I still want to do a little something, you know, to look a little put together. Like, this is what I go for. I really enjoy this makeup. I pretty much do it all the time. And I also got to try out a couple products that I actually never tried before, or were just like kind of like new to the no makeup look type of thing, or like my travel makeup look. I don't even know what I'm going to be calling this video yet, but yeah. Esto es, mi gente. Explícame. ¿Te gusta? Do you guys like it? If you guys do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter, and I mean Snapchat if you really want to, because I mean, ¿quién usa Snapchat, right? Nowadays. But anyways, follow me on my social media. I don't know if I'm having now, but I will be having a big giveaway. I'm gonna have multiple giveaways actually, because I have a lot of products to give out to you guys. So please make sure that you guys follow me on my social media, on my Instagram, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, comment on this video, share with your family, your boyfriend, your side chick, your whatever. Share with everybody, and let's grow on this platform. I really love you guys for all of the support you guys have given me. And yeah, guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.